Hey everyone, so after not trading for the past 2 days, and with all the Brexit news being negative, I actually took my trade today based off the 4-hour time frame. Once I saw that this candle actually broke below its own support after creating lower highs all the way down previously, and then once it respected with the wicks of this previous support on the 4-hour, I waited till price flipped below this daily zone and below the previous 4-hour before I took the entry shot with my stop loss tight right above the immediate resistance that was just formed. So this was in line with the London Open volume. So I was quite confident in this trade given that it was a higher time frame solid confirmation plus the lower time frames at London Open also closed below its own support. So once that happened, I was confident that price would actually be able to push down to this 4-hour support at 138, even after it did a rejection and a retest to this previous level of support on the left on the 30-minute. So I held in, expecting this retest to happen, and secured my stop loss at break even above the zone at break even, and waited for my first TP at 138, which was the previous 4-hour support to hit. That was when I took 80% off the position, and then I let the rest of the trade come down. So because price was actually falling really quickly on all time frames, 15, 30, 1 hour, I had to go down to an even lower time frame like the 5 minutes to look for structure. So this was the first structure that formed, new resistance. And then after that, I trailed it down above this structure, which was my final stop loss, above this whole area once price actually broke through 138. So when I saw that this first 5-minute candle actually rejected and formed support of the daily zone, I was cautious, but and took another 10% off this area from the remaining 20% runner. And then when I saw that the second candle actually closed bullish back above the daily zone, I decided to cut my trade. So that was how I handled this 4-hour entry down today. So just one trade for me today, amidst all the Brexit news. There's going to be some more Brexit news over the weekend. So if you're planning to hold trades, just be careful about slippage that may or may not happen on Monday. Right? So I hope this was informative, and let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments. If not, then I'll see you guys on Monday.